All right, so welcome to all of you. Welcome to all of you to the Gate Academy English channel. So, my dear, in this session, we are going to continue with this series of live quiz with timer of theory of machine. All right. So, my name is Uma Shankar Tripathi, my dear, and we are now going to begin this live quiz with timer session of theory of machine. So, we have already have done few sessions. Now in today's session, we are going to continue with this series. Okay. Now, first of all, how we can play this quiz, right? How we can play this quiz. So we can play this quiz live. So what is the process to play this quiz, my dear? So you can see the link mentioned. You can see the link mentioned at the top of the screen. Okay. So you have to go to that link. Either you can use a laptop for this, you can use a mobile for this. If you are having a mobile and laptop both, you can see me on one device and can open this link to the other one. If you are seeing me only on the laptop, you can open it in the other window. And if you are having mobile only, then you can choose split screen option. You can choose the split screen option to open this link. Okay, so when you open this link, there will be a small registration. Okay, in that only you will have to write your name. So what I request, you write your correct name there. Okay, now in this there will be no negative marking. Okay, no negative marking will be there with any question. How many questions we are having? We are having 4 questions. Okay, every question will be having some pointers, will be having some points there. Okay, tougher the question, more will be the points, obviously. And as this, the name of this quiz is live quiz with timer. So basically, in this quiz, we are going to have points which are linked with the time also. So sooner you answer, better will be your marks. Okay, so in this, if you answer in less time, you will be getting more marks or points. So please join the quiz, my dear. All of you, I request all of you, please join. So let's see. Very nice. Okay, so we can begin with the quiz. So let's do the first question. Okay, please go ahead. This is a numerical ability type question. Okay, so we understand what is a numerical ability type question, right? Please go ahead. All of us can solve this, beta. No problem at all. All of us can solve this question nicely. Please go for it. So in GATE examination, we understand that we have numerical ability type questions. In these questions, we have to write a numerical value, right? So I'm hoping all of us can solve it very nicely. So please go for it. Definitely we can do it. Definitely we can do it. Okay, so we got 2 answers till now. Please, rest of you also answer to this. No negative marking with any question. The purpose of the quiz, again, as all in all the quiz session, I keep telling you this. So basically, the purpose is to make you realize that where are you lagging, in what concepts. So we are trying to cover as much concepts as possible here. So any student who is live on YouTube, if yet have not joined the quiz, may now also can join. You can see the link at the top of the screen. You just have, and in the chat box, in the live chat section of YouTube also, you can see the link is there. Okay, you can see a link is there. So just by clicking that link, you can open up this quiz, and this will be the interface you will be seeing. You will be seeing an interface, very simple interface. You just have to type the correct answer as we do in the gate examination. Time is running out. Still, some of you have not answered to this. Please try to solve it. I'm very sure that all of us can solve it, beta. All right, so everyone have answered to this, and let's see. Okay, so Manoj have answered it correctly, and Manoj have answered it most quickly as well, followed by Manisha and Keshav. Gautam, you were not able to give the correct answer to this question. Don't worry, try for the next question. Okay, so here we go for the next question. Let's see what is being asked. So, very simple question. MCQ, multiple choice question. So, there will be only one correct answer to this question. So, I am expecting correct answer from all of you. Very simple question. These kind of questions are asked a lot in the gate examination. Almost similar to that question, this question is. So AB and CD are obviously perpendicular. AB and CD are obviously perpendicular. So if you have solved the previous year gate questions only, then also you must have found these kind of questions a lot. Please try it. I'm very sure that all of us can do it, beta. Please go for it. Time is running out. It is a question of I center method, instantaneous center velocity analysis. We do all this kind of a thing a lot. Please do it, my dear. I am expecting correct answer from all of you. Still, some of you are left to answer, beta. Please go for it. All right. So all of you have answered, and all of you have answered it correctly. So Manoj have answered it again in the least time, followed by Keshav and Manisha. Okay. Now coming to the third question. Let's see how many of us can solve this one. Okay. Please go for it. Let's see if we can solve it or not. Please do it, beta. I'm very sure we can do it. So the unit, there is a misprint, the unit must be meter per second square. Please do it, my dear. Very simply, you can do it. Very simply, we can do it. Please try to solve it, beta. The time here is very less for this question. Because this much time only is required to solve this question. I am expecting the correct answer. Please do it, my dear. Okay, so we have the time is going to get up. So it is time is up. So Manoj have given the right answer. Keshav have given the right answer. Very nice, beta. Manisha, you were not able to give the right answer to this question. Gautam, you have given the right answer to this question. And A, you have also given the right answer. So this is the last question for this session. And we'll be seeing the solutions of these after completion of this question. Okay, very simple question. Please see if we can do it or not. So it is a MSQ question. So as we are aware that in GATE, from GATE 2021, this is the new edition or new incorporation that we can say in the GATE, that apart from MCQ and NAT questions, they are now asking MSQ questions as well, in which more than one answer is correct. Let's see if we can solve it or not. Please go ahead. So we have seen all these things. I am very sure we can solve it if we try. If we try, definitely we can solve it. Please go for it. Please go for it. Approximately 2 minutes are left for this question. Very simply, we can do it. Still, some of you have not answered. Please try to answer it, beta. Please try to answer it. Just 1 minute left. Please try it. Please try it. Definitely we can do it, beta. Please try it. Still, some of you have not answered. So this is what we see in kinematic analysis of a single slider crank mechanism. In kinematic analysis of single slider crank mechanism, we see all this formulas: velocity of a slider, angular velocity of connecting rod, angular velocity, angular acceleration of connecting rod. Okay, so time is up. So let's see. So Keshav have given the right answer to all the questions, I guess. Very nice, Keshav. Very good. And Manoj, you were not able to answer this question correctly. Manisha, you were able to answer this question correctly. Gautam, you also were able to answer this question correctly. Okay. Okay. So Keshav, you have got the highest points because you have answered all the questions correctly. Very nice. And very nice, all of you. So definitely we all have done it nicely. Okay, now let's see what are the solutions to this question. Okay. Okay, so I hope we can see the screen and we can see the OneNote now. Right, my dear? We can see the OneNote now, I am hoping. So live students can tell me if we are seeing everything well now. Okay, right. Okay, so this was the first question, my dear. This was the first question. So if length of AB is given to be 300 mm, if the velocity of A and B points are 180 meter per second and 140 meter per second respectively, the radius of the wheel is. So now what we can say, so this is our eye center and this link is rotating about, obviously about, it is rotating about this hinge point. So if it is rotating about this hinge point, this is the eye center. So what is the velocity of B they have given? So they have given the velocity of B as 140 meter per second. And what is the velocity of A we have given with? So we have given with 80 meter per second, right? 80 meter per second. Now we understand that V is equal to R omega. So VB must be OB into omega, right? And VA must be OA into omega. Yes or no? Okay, I hope it is fine to all of you. I hope it is fine to all of you. So AB is given to us. Now AB is given to us. So what we can do, VB and VA is given to us. So AB is given to us, right? But AB is given to us. Now if AB is given to us, what we can say? What we can say? So OB minus OA is equal to OB minus OA is equal to AB, right? OB minus OA is equal to AB. So what we can say, so VB minus VA is equal to, so I am just subtracting this equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if I subtract this equation, we'll be having VB minus VA, and at the right hand side, we'll be having OB minus OA. So that is nothing but AB into omega. Now VB minus VA, so we have this as 60 and AB is 300. So 3, that is 0.3. AB is 300 mm, that is 0.3 into omega. So from here we can have the value of omega, right? From here we can have the value of omega. So the live student can please tell me if the calculation, if anything went wrong in the calculation, you may say something. So omega is coming out to be 200 radian per second, right, beta? Sorry. Omega is coming out to be 200 radian per second. Now we can put this in equation number 1 because we are supposed to find the radius of the wheel, that is nothing but OB. So VB we have, that is 140. OB we have to find, and omega we have got, that is 200 radian per second. So we are getting OB as 0.7 meter. OB as 0.7 meters. So that means the answer to this question is, so actually we have to answer in mm. So the answer to this question is 700. I hope it is fine to all of you. Any doubt in this question, you may ask me, beta. Any doubt in this question, you guys may ask me. Okay, just one moment. All right. So I hope this first question